Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Up, guys. So for today's video, we are going to review Firebase, Google Firebase. So first, we're going to talk about what it is, and second is its functionality. What is it for, and how do we use it? Well, first off, Google Firebase is a comprehensive platform by Google. It helps developers create, run, and grow their own web and mobile applications through the use of AI. With the help of AI, it allows developers to focus on building features rather than managing server infrastructure. So it started as a real time database company, and now it's run by Google. So it it has evolved into a powerful back-end as a service or a BaaS platform that integrates with various other Google services like Google Cloud Platform, AdMob, and of course Google Ads. So essentially, Firebase provides ready-to-use backend services that would typically require significant server-side development and maintenance. So this includes provision of databases. So you have real-time data synchronization across connected clients. You have authentication. You can create a secure like time in sign in, sign up management. You can host applications. You have cloud functions, serverless functions that can run backend codes to respond to events. And of course, you have secure storage for user generated content. Like, for example, if you're going to use photos or you're gonna store photos and whatnot. So this is what that will look like. This is what it looks like in different programming language. So you have Java, JavaScript. So this is the type of thing that Firebase provides you with. So instead of being stuck with other things, you can focus on things that matter for your website. Basically, that's what Firebase does. Apart from this, one of the best thing about this is you can also do a testing and monitoring. So they provide tools that will help you to test application stability, performance, and of course, potential crashes that may happen when you run your web page. For the pricing, here, you have no cost for a Spark plan. You can get started, just click on Start Now, and automatically you can get started. So, these are the things that you will get with a Spark plan. You have the A/B testing, you have analytics already, you have app check and app distribution. For app hosting, however, it's not applicable for a Spark plan. But definitely for authentication, you get it for a Spark plan right there. If you want like additional things like monthly active users, you're gonna have to pay additional for that. And then here you also have Cloud Firestore. Cloud functions are not available, however, for Spark plan, and you also don't get enough or multiple buckets per project for a cloud storage. For Crashlytics, it's not applicable if you're just gonna get the free version or the Spark plan. And then for hosting, yeah, it's available, but only for 360 MB a day. But the storage is already 10 gigabytes, so that's something. For performance monitoring, it doesn't include the multiple database project, but you can do um it includes it here no cost. But for real-time database, you can't utilize the multiple database per project because that's for the premium version. For testing, you get 10 tests for virtual devices, and 5 tests for physical devices. So that's also good if you're starting or if you're a starter when it comes to web developing. So yeah, common uses. Let's get down to it. Common uses of Firebase is that real-time applications. You have chat applications. You can create chat applications. You can create collaborative tools. It gives you collaborative tools, live dashboards. You have even online gaming is available for mobile apps. Definitely, you can create handling user authentication, data storage, push notifications, and analytics for both iOS and Android. And then, of course, web applications. You can create single page applications. You can create progressive web apps and other dynamic web experiences. And then for e-commerce platforms, you can manage product catalogs, user counts, and you can also utilize an order processing like so. And then you can also use it for social media applications like creating user profiles, content feeds, and real-time interactions with your users. And then you also have IoT applications for storing and synchronizing sensor data. So overall, if you're a startup developer with the free version or with the Spark version, definitely this may be the application for you. There are many things you can do here. You can build, you can run your applications, and that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow some more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.